So the most common sign of being pregnant in early pregnancy will of course be a missed period, and that's normally the first indication to ladies that something might have happened and they may well be pregnant. And in that case, you would then go on and do a pregnancy test. Other symptoms that ladies might report will be sore or swollen breasts, feeling bloated. Some ladies do get some spotting and a little bit of period-like cramping pain. But obviously, if it's anything more than that, so bleeding is heavier or the pain is more severe, then you must get medical help. So symptoms and signs to be looking out for in early pregnancy will be excessive bleeding. So you generally don't get bleeding heavier than a period or even as heavy as a period. So if you're getting bleeding like that, then you need to be seeing a doctor. Likewise, pain. You can get some cramping in early pregnancy as the pregnancy implants, but you shouldn't get any severe pain or particularly pain on one side of your tummy. And if that's the case, again, you need to be getting medical help during that time. So some ladies report feeling pregnant straight away. However, I think that's probably quite unusual. And most ladies don't necessarily feel anything straight away. And that their first sign of knowing something that they might be pregnant will be that missed pregnancy test. The vomiting and nausea that ladies experience generally comes later on in the first trimester. So don't be worrying if you don't feel any different to how you did when you knew you weren't pregnant. So once you've found out that you're pregnant, then obviously there are certain things you need to do to protect the health of the pregnancy. And that will be starting folic acid if you're not already taking it. So something like Pregnacare has got all the vitamins that you need in early pregnancy. Getting in touch with a medical practitioner or an early pregnancy unit is really important because they can arrange a scan for you and date the pregnancy and check that the pregnancy is proceeding healthily. Other things you can do yourself will be to stop drinking caffeine, stop smoking, and to stop alcohol. All of these we know are helpful in terms of the health of the pregnancy. Other than that, eating healthily is really good, and carry on just with your normal exercise that you were doing before you got pregnant is completely safe for that developing pregnancy. So in terms of support in early pregnancy, the first thing we can do is to check the pregnancy is developing okay. And we can generally see an early pregnancy on an ultrasound scan from about 5 to 6 weeks gestation. So that's a week after you've missed your period, we can do that scan. In terms of support, we can give you general advice and help and tell you what to expect through the rest of your pregnancy, which is obviously a really exciting time for you and your partner.